This new AI video model just dropped and it can generate and edit any videos you want. It's basically Photoshop for video, but way easier. Watch this. I took a real wedding video and with one prompt, I moved it from the mountains to a beach. Then I did it again, changed the sky color, swapped the background, and even changed what somebody was wearing from one single prompt. As well as here are some other videos that I edited using this new model in just a couple of minutes. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Kling O1 to make edits like this in seconds. All right, let's get into this. All right, guys, so we're gonna be using ARCADs in this video to use Kling O1. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select new project. You can see I have a project open right here. And let me show you what I was just working on when playing around with this before actually filming this video. So I created this right here. So here is the first video that I generated.
Sometimes the world moves and you just learn to move with it.
So as you can see, it looks extremely good. It's a very cinematic video of this guy walking down the street. The camera is basically tracking him. He's staying in the middle of the frame, and that's exactly what I wanted this video to be. You can see I used this very comprehensive prompt to generate this video, and that's why it turned out so good. And I used the Kling video model to do this. In this video, I'm gonna show you a hack on how to create prompts and videos that are this specific and this high quality instead of having, a bunch of different errors. And then what I did is I took that video and then I turned it into this one where he's in an open field.
Sometimes the world moves.
The exact same video, you can see that the character is completely consistent. And then I even did this one right here where he is walking in the background is him in the mountains. And again, I did this in one prompt editing this video.
Sometimes the world moves.
And then what I did is I even took this one and I changed it even more to where he is, again, walking in front of a mountain, but now he has a blue hat.
Sometimes the world moves and you just learn to move with it.
So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually edit a video just like this or generate a video from scratch. First of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on See More. And as you can see, we have Kling O1 video editor here, which is a tool that we could use inside of ARCADs. One of the reasons I really love this platform. I'm just gonna simply select this. And then what I could do is I could upload any video and then I can make edits to that. For the sake of this, let's actually upload a real video that I took when I was on a vacation. This isn't an AI generated video, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So I have this video right here, which is of this castle when I was actually in Lisbon, Portugal, or building. I don't know if it's necessarily a castle, but this looks really cool. And what I want to do is I want to edit this video to actually make it sunny outside and maybe have a sunset. I want it to look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing instead of it just looking so dark and gloomy here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an edit like that. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply upload this image. And again, make sure that you're using this video editing tool here, which is Kling O1. And then I'm just gonna describe the change I wanna make to this video. I'm gonna give it a prompt as simple as this. Make the sky sunny at sunset, keep everything else the same. And what I'm gonna do, let me make sure that the output for here is 10 seconds, and then I could change the amount of video generations I want. Let's just go ahead and start with 1 because I think that should be enough. So I'm gonna send that off, and Kling and ARCADs are gonna begin building our video. Let me come back to this in a second. All right, and just a couple of minutes later, this video was generated. Wow, exact same video. You can see it's the same exact subject here. It's the same building. However, the background is just this sunset now instead of it being that dark, cloudy vibe from the original video. And you can't even tell this is AI generated, guys. This is so crazy. And I want you to realize what times we're living in now. We're living in times now where you can edit your videos like back in the day when you could edit Photoshop and Photoshop something to make it look real and nobody knew that it was fake. And you could do the exact same thing with AI videos now. It's kind of crazy and a little bit scary. Here is another one that I generated for the sake of it. I wanted to see what another one would look like. Even the zoom out, you could see the zoom out looks the exact same, but the background is the only thing that's changed. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can make this exact same video here from scratch using AI and then make edits to it so it has this change of scenery in the background. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this custom GPT that my friend Rourke gave me. He's the best in the business when it comes to creating videos with AI. And what we're going to do is we're just going to explain simply what we want to create. So let me go ahead and do that now. I want you to create a prompt for a cinematic video of a guy walking down the street. The camera is following him as he walks, and it's a side profile shot with him directly in the middle of the frame. I want it to have a moody cinematic feel to it. All right, so that's the prompt that I'm going to give this GPT. And then what it's going to do is it's going to spit out this hyper specific prompt that is specific for these video generation tools like Kling and ArcAds. All right, and here's our super specific prompt. It looks kind of crazy, so don't mind it. We're just going to paste this into ArcAds. But you could see it even says, like, it gives us a dialogue here. It even breaks down the lighting and the lens and the focus of the camera. It's super specific, and this is how you're able to get really good outputs like the ones that I've shown in this video. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over back to ArcAds, click on video. I'm going to describe my video and just paste that prompt. And then what I could do is I could actually click on this little tool thing here and change which model to use. Kling 2.6 just released at the time of this video, and it's really good for these cinematic type shots like what I just showed you. So I'm going to select that model, but we could also use VO 3.1 or Sora 2 Pro. And then I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it is in that style that I showed. It's going to be 10-second long video, and then we could change the output. Let's do 3 generations of this to pick our favorite one. So I'm going to send that off to ArcAds, and let's revisit this in a second. All right, so here's the output that we got, and then I'm going to make some changes to this to basically edit our video.
Keep walking.
So it's just simply this guy walking down the street. He's staying in the middle of our frame. It's definitely very moody. I understood that I wanted a really moody shot. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to download this video, and then I'm going to change it so it's not so moody. I actually want it to be a like happy and maybe introspective vibe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again select Kling O1 video editor. Then I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to drag in our video, and then I'm going to describe my changes here. All right, so here's the prompt that I'm going to give our GPT. I want you to create a prompt for a cinematic video of a guy walking down the street. The camera is following him as he walks, and it's a side profile shot of him directly in the middle of the frame. I want it to have a moody cinematic feel to it. So this is the prompt I'm going to give our GPT, and now it's going to craft a really specific prompt for us to give to Kling. All right, here we go. We have a really specific prompt. It even breaks down, you know, the dialogue that we want to have. It breaks down the camera that we want to use, the lens we want to use, all this stuff along with the lighting. So I'm going to copy that. I'm then going to come over to our video here. I'm going to paste this in, and I'm going to make sure that I have Kling 2.6 as our output here. And then let's just do a 5-second video, and I'm going to go ahead and send that off to ArcAds. All right, so here's the output that we got.
Keep moving.
So you can see it's our character just walking down the street. It's a really cinematic shot. It looks really moody. It looks like something you'd see in like a drama movie or something. So what I'm going to do now, let's go ahead, download this, and let's create different versions of this. I want to make the background like, you know, have mountains or something, or I want to make it feel more lighthearted and warm instead of this dark scene. Let's try that out now. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to come over and click on Kling O1 video editor. I'm then going to upload this video, and I'm going to describe my changes. All right, so I'm going to give it this basic prompt. I'm just going to say change the mood to make it feel warm and bright and not so moody. And then from there, once I get the next output, I'm then going to make changes to the setting in the background. All right, so here is the output. You can see that it looks a lot more warm. It has warm tones from the street lights here. However, let's go ahead. Let's make this in daylight now. I don't want it to be dark, and I don't want it to be dark. So let's just go ahead and make it actually in broad daylight. What I'm going to do, again, I'm going to upload this here and say, take this exact video and make it so it is daytime with a clear blue sky. And I'm saying instead of making it in the street, make it so he's in the middle of nowhere with mountains in the background. All right, so just like that, we now have this exact same character with the exact same movements here, but he is now walking in broad daylight and there is a mountain in the background, just like how we prompted it. Guys, this is how you edit videos using Kling O1 inside of ArcAds. If you guys got some value from this video, leave a like, let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe for more content like this, where I basically teach non-techies how to use AI. Not only do I cover how to make AI videos, but I cover how to vibe code and use AI across a bunch of different domains. So if that sounds valuable to you, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. With that being said, guys, if you want to use ArcAds, there's a link in the description to do so, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.